Once upon a time, in a magical forest filled with twinkling fireflies and singing flowers, there lived two friends, Ellie the elephant and Milo the mouse. Ellie was a big, forgetful elephant who loved to have fun, but often forgot important things. Milo, on the other hand, was a tiny, organized mouse who always carried a little notebook and pencil. One sunny morning, Ellie said to Milo, "Let's have a tea party in my treehouse today." Milo squeaked with joy. "That sounds wonderful, Ellie. What should we do first?" But when they arrived at the enchanted treehouse, they realized they had no tea, no snacks, and no cups. "Don't worry, Ellie. This is a perfect time to learn about planning. Let's make a to-do list." Milo took out his tiny notebook and wrote, 1. Get tea leaves 2. Find yummy snacks 3. Bring cups and plates 4. Invite forest friends. Wow. "That looks helpful," said Ellie. They set off into the busy animal town to gather everything they needed. Along the way, they met their friend Ollie the owl. "Hoot hoot! What are you two up to?" Ollie asked. "We're planning a tea party." Milo proudly showed Ollie their list. "How smart," Ollie hooted. "But what if it rains? You might want to plan for that too." Ellie and Milo looked at each other. They hadn't thought of that. Milo quickly added to the list, 5. Bring umbrellas, just in case. When they returned to the treehouse, dark clouds started to gather. "Oh no," Ellie worried. "Our tea party will be ruined." But Milo smiled and pointed to their list. "Don't worry, Ellie. We planned for this, remember?" They quickly set up inside the cozy treehouse, and just as the rain began to fall, all their forest friends arrived with umbrellas, ready for the party. Everyone had a wonderful time, sipping tea and munching on cookies. As the party came to an end, Ellie hugged Milo with her trunk. "Thank you, Milo. I never knew planning could be so much fun." Milo giggled. "And I never knew tea parties could be such big adventures." From that day on, Ellie and Milo planned all their adventures together. Sometimes they forgot things, sometimes unexpected things happened, but they always had fun because they were prepared for anything. And so, the big elephant and the tiny mouse became the best of friends, teaching all the animals in the magical forest about the joy of planning and being ready for surprises. My dear friends, this story teaches us to learn to plan. So the next time you want to plan your day, or a picnic, or any fun thing at all, remember to create a to-do list.